So everybody's made a Rubik's Cube that rotates really good so you can solve it really fast. But I'm going to make one that's really bad. So let's see how bad we can make it. So I'm just going to screw these screws in really tight and see how bad we can make it. So let's see how bad that is to start. Definitely bad, but I think we can do worse. Alright, I got these screws in really tight, so let's see how bad it is now. Holy cow. That's awful. So I'm going to try to scramble it up and see how long it takes to solve. So let's try and solve it and see how bad it really is. A minute and 3 seconds, almost 4 seconds. This thing is absolutely awful. So how bad is this Rubik's Cube when you really tighten the screws? Very bad. I don't recommend doing this at all. And if you want to see some more cubing videos like this one, make sure you like and subscribe.